In the boundless fabric of innovation, how do the threads of artificial intelligence weave a tapestry that transforms our world and kindles the flames of progress? Explore the myriad ways in which AI acts as a vibrant thread, weaving through the tapestry of various industries, innovating and transforming traditional methods into a masterpiece of efficiency and innovation. Witness QuantumMind AI LLC as the skilled weaver, intertwining AI into various domains, ensuring the tapestry is both beautiful and functional. Witness the tapestry of healthcare as AI seamlessly integrates into medical diagnoses, treatment plans, and patient care, revolutionizing the industry and saving lives. Marvel at the tapestry of transportation as AI automates vehicles, enhances safety measures, and optimizes routes, bringing about a new era of efficient and sustainable travel. Step into the tapestry of finance as AI algorithms analyze vast amounts of data, enabling accurate predictions, informed decision-making, and secure transactions. Be captivated by the tapestry of education as AI personalizes learning, providing tailored experiences, engaging content, and empowering students to reach their full potential. Embrace the tapestry of manufacturing as AI streamlines production processes, improves quality control, and optimizes supply chain management, driving greater productivity and efficiency. Discover the tapestry of agriculture as AI assists in monitoring crops, analyzing soil data, and optimizing resource allocation, enabling sustainable farming practices and increased crop yields. Immerse yourself in the tapestry of entertainment as AI algorithms create personalized recommendations, immersive gaming experiences, and lifelike virtual worlds. Realize the tapestry of customer service as AI-powered chatbots provide instant support, analyze customer behavior, and enhance user experiences, creating seamless and efficient interactions. Let QuantumMind AI LLC be the skilled weaver that breathes life into your tapestry of possibilities. Let QuantumMind AI LLC weave AI into your tapestry, ensuring your domain is enriched with the vibrant threads of innovation, efficiency, and progress. Experience the gradual and impactful transformation as AI becomes an integral part of your world, revolutionizing industries and enhancing our lives.